30 minus 10 parenthesis 3 minus 10. And many are solving like this, like 30 minus 10 which equals to 20 times 3 minus 10 which equals to minus 7, and 20 times minus 7 which equals to minus 1. Do you think this is the right answer? Actually this is not the right answer, and if you found the right answer, then comment your answer to get featured in this shoutout list. I will give a shoutout here. We will follow the order operation and PEMDAS here. So we will rewrite our question, that is 30 minus 10 parenthesis 3 minus 10. So as we can see, according to PEMDAS, parenthesis, exponent, multiplication, division, addition, subtraction, first preference will be given to this parenthesis. So we will get 3 minus 10. To operate this, we will get minus 7. So we can simply write 30 minus 10 times minus 7. So here are again two operations are there, that is minus and that is subtraction and multiplication. And according to PEMDAS, multiplication have this higher priority. Many are solving like this, like 30 minus 10 like earlier, but not solve in a that way. Always follow the PEMDAS, like first preference will be given to multiplication, okay, in both operations. So we will operate 30 minus 10 minus 7 which equals to minus 70, and here minus minus, then minus times minus is equal to plus, minus times plus is equal to minus, plus times plus is equal to plus. So here minus minus, so which gives plus 70, and 30 plus 70 which equals to 100. So here right answer is 100, not minus 140. And if you found this video very entertaining, then like this video and subscribe for more videos like this, and try to solve these math questions which I have suggested you in these videos. And thanks for watching.